First ride with the RK Tek head. So first ride up ahead, Skip's on my beta. My mechanic. So I put the RK Tek head in it. Like I said, this is the first ride. We're just dialing it in a little bit. So a couple notes. Riding at about 1200 elevation. It's about 79 or 80 degrees. And needle is the needle that RK provided me. I don't know the number of it, but if you're buying an RK Tek head, they sell the needle. Easier to get it from them. Main is 172. It was previously 165 for these conditions. On the slow jet, what we're playing around with is we started at 40 on the slow jet, and we're pretty far in on the air screw, and we think it was a little lean, so we richened up the air mixture, we richened up the mixture with the air screw. So probably at a half or 3/4 out right now on the air screw. So we decided we're going to go bigger slow jet. Boy, this KTM rips. This is a 2018 300 XC. And pretty damn good. So again, jetting settings right now, this elevation, this temperature, 172 on the main. Middle needle position, and we'll move from a 4.0 to a 4.2 on a slow jet. And that should be about right. So on the weekend where we ride, we'll change elevation a little bit, 800 to 1,000 feet. We'll also cool down in temperature, and air will be maybe a little bit thinner.
I didn't get any of that hanging idle.
Okay, good.
Were you able to do the whole thing in third on this?
No, I was between second and third. Did you do it in third on that?
Yeah, I did.
It pulls third pretty nice,
yeah,
huh?
It does.
Like, that was the...
A couple times just out of habit, I clutched it.
Yeah.
But yeah, third gear pulls nice. That's nice.
Yeah, because you don't have to use the clutch that much in the woods.
Right.
Or worry about stalling, even though it didn't stall much.
Well, carburetor, they usually stay running better. But yeah, that's nice. No doubt. No doubt.
Your tire's flat. So our test ride is getting cut short. Skip got a flat. He has tubeless in the back, but he has a flat.
Brand new tire.
Brand new tire. That sucks.
Oh well.
Well, let's test out the tubeless. So a couple words about the RK Tek head for the first ride. Boy, it feels nice. So, like I said, pulling feels like the bike's been geared down, except I'm running the same gearing. I'm able to pull third on it pretty comfortably without much clutch or any clutch really. Second gear, third gear wheelies, no issue. That was just a little blip and launch. So feels good. Definitely got to go to a 42 slow jet. Tuned out most of the hanging idle. But it's pretty far in, you know, like I said, about 75, 0.75 of the turn. Otherwise, feels pretty good. Feels crisp, powerful. Very simple mod, not a cheap mod. Not a cheap mod, but simple way to get more torque throughout the range. At least low to mid. Wow, that was the third gear start. Not intentionally. Yeah, third gear start. So the thing that I like about it is I didn't give anything up on the bottom. The low torque still feels very good and crisp. It just added it throughout the power band. So maybe I sacrificed a little traction with the head. I don't know. Prove that out this weekend. My guess is no, because of the way it's going to pull third gear now. Plus, I can use the mild nap on this bike if needed.